CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Imagine a world where your car drives you, no hands, no feet, you just chill in the back seat. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's actually happening right now, and it's called Waymo. But what exactly is a Waymo car? How much does it cost? And why are automakers obsessed with this company? Let's break it down. First, what is a Waymo vehicle? Waymo is Alphabet's moonshot to completely reinvent how we think about cars. These aren't concept vehicles. They're real, fully autonomous rides using LiDAR, radar, and cameras, not to help the driver, but to be the driver. In cities like Phoenix, you can literally get picked up by a Waymo car with no one in the front seat. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why auto car repair loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit CarHelpOut.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/CarHelpOut and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to CarHelpOut.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Waymo's story started back in 2009. As Google's self-driving car project, it went from quirky little bubble cars, you might remember the Firefly, to modern Jaguars and Pacificas. Now, these cars are driving themselves on real city streets, carrying real people. It's wild to think about. So how do these cars actually work? Think of it as a supercomputer with wheels. LiDAR builds a 3D map of the world around it. Cameras pick up details like colors and movement, and radar sees even in rain or darkness. The AI behind it all has learned from millions of miles, both real and simulated. Now let's talk cash. How much does a Waymo car cost? The vehicle itself, say a Jaguar I-Pace, starts around $70,000. But the tech stack, that adds $150,000 to $200,000 per car. That's why you can't actually buy a Waymo. They use them as robo-taxis to try and recover that investment. Where are these cars rolling today? You'll find Waymo One operating in Phoenix, San Francisco, LA, and Austin. You unlock the car with your phone, hop in, and the car just drives. No small talk, no tip, just tech. Of course, it's not all perfect construction zones, weird weather, unpredictable drivers. Waymo still hits some bumps, and a lot of people aren't quite ready to trust a robot at the wheel. Would you ride in a car with no driver? Is Waymo the future? Maybe Tesla Cruise Zoox. They're all in the race, but Waymo's got a big lead in real-world miles. Will it change the world? Possibly. Will you buy one tomorrow? Probably not. But don't be shocked if the next ride you hail has no one up front. Remember, the cars we drive say a lot about us. In the future, maybe they'll even think for us. If you learned something new, hit like, smash subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you trust a Waymo to drive you? I'll see you next time, right here, where the future takes the wheel. CarHelpOut.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.